So we want to find, basically, to minimize the cost, we want to use as little material as possible. Well, that would equal the surface area. So we know that the volume of the can is 50 cubic meters. And we know that the formula for volume is pi r squared h. So I want to solve this for h. So that way, when I do my surface area function, I'm only going to have one variable in it. So when I do that, I get surface area equals 2 pi times the radius times 50 over pi times the radius squared plus 2 pi r. Okay. Surface area, this gets the 2 pi r squared. The 2 pi RH gives you the lateral area, or the area of the side of the can, and the 2 pi r squared takes care of the top and the bottom. So now we want to rewrite this, and we got 2 times 50 is 100. Our pi's cancel out here, and then I'm going to get r in the denominator here. Oops, it's not equals. That's going to be plus 2 pi r squared. Now to find the minimum, we're going to do the derivative of surface area. We're going to say SA prime. Well, this, and let me write that just so it's easier to take the derivative. 100 over r is the same as 100 times r to the negative 1 power. Now we can use the power rule, so we get a negative 100 over r squared, because we're going to get r to the negative 2 power, plus 4 times pi times r will be the derivative of the second part. To get the extrema, maximum or minimum, we're going to set that equal to 0. So we get 0 equals a negative 100 over r squared plus 4 pi r. We'll add the 100 over r squared to both sides. Pi r. Now we'll multiply both sides by r squared. We get 100 equals 4 pi times r cubed. Divide both sides by 4 pi. So now we have 100 divided by 4 pi equals r cubed. We're going to take the cube root of both sides. I'm going to work that out on the old calculator. 25 divided by second pi equals second. Cube root of that number is 1.996. Will equal r. We're going to plug that 1.996 into this to get what h is. So you have 50 over pi times 1.996 squared will equal h. Square that equals times second pi equals reciprocal of that times 50, and I get 3.993 will equal h. So the units on these are both inches. So you could probably say, does it say what to round to? No. So R would roughly equal 2 inches, and the H would roughly equal 3 inches.